Hello WBB stars from Elements restaurant to here in Santorini at Canaves collection. It's my version for our corned beef. So here we have the veal tongue. We have put in the salt for 10 days and now just we boil it about 2-3 hours. We put inside and we let it cook. After 3 hours we take the veal tongue and we remove the skin. We have a totally clear and we let it the temperature to take down. And let's go to do the chamamousse. We have here the one zoo from white asparagus. We put inside some cream and egg yolk. Let's go back now to the tongue. We cut this part. We cut in the middle and we cut slices. And now we cut the brunoise. We are ready almost the tongue. We put inside one glacé. It's we put in the machine also apple and pear. We do age it for 7 hours and we take the liquid. The liquid we do reduction and we take this reduce. We put inside some inside in the tongue. A little bit of salt, a little bit of white pepper and chives. We prepare the chamamousse. The chamamousse is from white asparagus. We have here one zoo from white asparagus and we put inside the cream and egg yolk. We put inside, we make our can. We put inside the chamamousse about 100 ml and we put inside in the steamer for 10-15 minutes. White asparagus. We take one piece. We cut also brunoise, like the tongue. Next, okay. For the plating for this corned beef, we have the chamamousse ready. So we put inside the white asparagus, ferment. We have some crunchy olive. The tongue we prepared. And for the finish we have one gel from the reduction apple and pear. It's illusion like the gel have the corned beef, the normal corned beef. We finish with a glacé from Extra Taste. And some mustard cress to the top. So, WBB stars, this is my version for our corned beef. Thank you very much.